Adding music, subtitles, and name tags can make your video look more engaging. So, how do we do that? After generating, click the Element button on the bottom to enter the editing interface. On the left side, you'll see different elements like music, sound effects, subtitle, text templates, stickers, and more. Let's start with music. You can choose from the music library or click My Elements to upload your own music. Click the plus icon to add it to the timeline below. Then, select the music track and use the slider on the right to adjust its volume. This helps to avoid your music from covering the avatar's voiceover. You can also set fade-in and fade-out effects, so the music flows smoothly. Next, let's add subtitles. Select your subtitle, switch a preferred style from the subtitle library, and click the plus icon to apply it. Once it's added, you can adjust the font, size, and color on the right panel. Finally, let's add a name tag. Select a template from the Text Templates library and place it in an eye-catching position on the video. You could resize and edit its text on the right panel too. When everything's done, click the play button and let's preview the result. Hello, Mr. Mike, and warm greetings from Infinity. As the holiday season approaches, I wanted to take a moment to thank you for your continued support throughout the year. Pretty simple, right? Try it out for yourself.